Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a bank Dhofar login error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, what you can do is first check your internet connection. To do, simply drop down your toolbar from the and then once that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on this Wi-Fi icon. Then in order to change it, simply tap on it and then select any other internet connection. Then simply try turning the Wi-Fi off and on, and if that doesn't work, try using your mobile data. If that doesn't work, simply restart your router if you're using your Wi-Fi. And next is make sure you're using the correct name and password. To do, simply head over and open up your Dhofar app and then simply activate or log in. And once you're logged in, common mistakes can be made like wrong capital letters, wrong special characters, or old set passwords. Try typing your password manually, not from autofill. The next method that you can use is simply heading over to your settings. Then inside settings, scroll down, tap on general. Then inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Dhofar bank application. And once you're inside there, you'll find the option that says offload app. Simply select that, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Then once that's done, your problem should be fixed. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in bank Dhofar, and then once you're inside, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.